Question number 12 says two chords AB and CD of different lengths, they are not same. This is entire thing is 5 centimeters, this entire thing is 11 centimeters, and we know that the perpendicular bisects the chord, therefore this is 2.5 and this happens to be 2.5, and now are parallel to each other. These two things are parallel to each other and are on the same side of the center. This is the center and are on the same side, not on either side of the center. If distance between AB and CD happens to be 3, find the radius. We are being asked to find the radius of this entire circle. Pay attention to this sum, a little bit complicated. We know that this is radius and this is radius, and we know only this part and not this part. We have to add 3 plus OQ to get OP, that is the OP value. And for this right angle triangle, it is only OQ, and this part is 5.5. This is 2.5, this is 3 plus OQ, and that will go into the making of the radius, finding the radius. And for this triangle, it is 5.5 plus OQ. This square and this square will give OQ square. But we know that OB and OD are equal because they are radii of the same circle. Radius of the same circle is always equal wherever the line is, the line joining the point on the circle and the center is radius, and it is same for the one given circle. So in the first place we presume the radius to be x, which is OB equals OD, and from that we are here with applying the Pythagorean, and we know that this is 3 plus OQ. OP is 3 plus OQ, so that is the square of these two things, and from that we get some value of x square. Similarly, for the other right angle triangle OQD, as you can see, this is the x square, and we have this equation. But we know that these being radii of the same circle, OD and OB are radii of the same circle, and therefore these two equations being the same, Euclid's axiom 1 says that things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Therefore this is equal to this, and that is what we have exactly arrived at. From that, since OQ square is available for on the LHS and RHS, they nullify each other, and then we are left with single OQ, and this is all simple maths. All these go this side and the positives become negative, and then we have the OQ value herein. And once PQ and OQ are in our hand, OB is child's play with the Pythagorean theorem operating here, and we get this value, and then OB is nothing but root of this value, and going forward we get this, and this is all simple maths. This is 55 comes to 5.5, so this is the decimal value, and these add up to this, and removing the square we get the root of the RHS, and therefore this is the answer.